In our previous tutorial about Windows service, we learned how to create a simple service which writes on system event log or event viewer. Now, we will learn how to connect it with an application and also to execute some commands. We will just modify our first Windows service. So our goal will be we will write to the event log once the application has been opened or closed. So first, let's define uh, an enumeration. So service commands. So basically, application started. So the accepted value is between 128 and 256. And application closed. So let's just update the comment. So next, we will add the method that will handle the custom command. So basically, if the command receives the 128, it will write that the application is started. And if it receives the 129 or the application closed based on our enumeration, so it will write that the application has been closed. So it's now done. Let's build and reinstall it. So we just need to open the services. And we have a previous installation of the service. So we need to uninstall it first. So to do this, we need the install util again. But with the minus sign u parameter. So meaning to uninstall. So there it is. And we just need to rerun the install util to install it. But without the minus sign u. So let's refresh and start. So it's still working. So next step, we will create our main application. So I have created already an empty form. Next step, we will add a service controller component on the designer. And then we will add our enumeration, which is we also declared on the service. So 128 and 129. Next step, we will add the form events, the form load and form closing. And next step, we will pass the 128 command on the service. And 129 for the form closing. Next step, we will create a method that will ensure that our service is started or running before we pass or execute a command. So let's define the service name. So this is the service name. Let's just copy and paste to make sure it is correct. Then next, let's add the checking. The service is running. If not, we will start it. And we just need to add it before our execute command. So it's now done and let's test it. By the way, maybe you need to run the Visual Studio as an administrator to test it correctly. So let's run and check. So refresh. So it's working. The application has been started. So let's now close the form and refresh. So there we go.